Hello and welcome back to our inversion series, where every Wednesday I share tips with you to help you balance upside down like a pro. If you're new here, consider subscribing. In this week's episode, we're going to talk about different entries for positions like headstand, forearm stand, and handstand. Before you start practicing, it's important to warm up the key areas that will assist in getting you upside down with control. Spend 5 to 10 minutes running through drills like the ones shown on screen. The more flexible and mobile the hips, hamstrings, and shoulders are, the easier it will be to get into position with control. The main thing to think about is aligning the shoulders over the hands and the hips over the shoulders. There are a few different ways you can get into position, but the better your mobility is, the more control you will have, and thus, the more likely it will be you'll stick the balance. The goal is to move into position slowly and intentionally. Once the hamstrings, hips, and core are warm, you can experiment with different entries. I recommend trying a few different kinds to see which one resonates. For example, the puppy press is great for practicing alignment because you start with the hips already in line with the shoulders. You can practice this press for headstand, forearm stand, and handstand. And you can also make it more accessible by elevating the planted foot onto a block to bring the floor closer to you. A few other entries you can try are the split kick-up and the bunny hop. For the former, try to imagine the leading leg's hip floating on top of the shoulders, rather than kicking it as hard as you can behind you. The same goes for the bunny hop. Always think about stacking the body in a straight line. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to drop them down below. See you all back here next week for a fresh episode. Ciao for now!